Hey everyone, it's Preston over at Easy Auto Spa. I'm in our Duluth location. We've got this 2023 Audi R8 in here. The owner picked it up a couple of months ago. Hasn't really driven it because he's afraid of chipping up the paint, swirling it up when he's washing it. So he decided to get some paint protection film installed and ceramic coating, and he was still thinking about maybe upgrading the window tint that came on it from the dealership. But he found us. We're getting ready to get some paint protection film installed on the front end here, as well as some other areas of the car that are likely to chip. And then once that paint protection film's installed, we're going to give this paintwork a two-stage paint correction to really make sure it's as perfect as possible before we get that ceramic coating on it. We're going to end up doing G-Technic's Crystal Serum Ultra Black, which is our two-layer coating. First layer is Crystal Serum Ultra. That coating can last up to 9 years. It's their hardest coating, so it's their most protective that they offer. And we're going to give it a top coat of their new XO V5 just to maximize gloss and dirt and water repellency on this R8, ensuring that it stays sharp for many years and is really easy to clean. We're also going to be coating surfaces such as the whole entire wheels and the glass and some of the carbon fiber trims that are in the engine compartment, as well as on the exterior of this R8, just to make sure that those stay in tip-top shape too. If you're a family member ever would have a need for a ceramic coating or a paint protection film, or even both, feel free to give us a call. Go to our website, easyautospa.com, and fill out a quote request, and one of our managers will be in touch with you. We'd love to get you taken care of. Thank you.